In all books you will find very nice writing. Take any book, a read, we may like it. But when we decide our path, try to decide our path, what we have to do in our life, then reading style changes. For example, some divine one has written something which is supposed to be very nice. For example, honesty is facing a situation is to be brave. But important point, what is honesty? Without knowing honesty, to discuss about honesty, it is wastage of time. Humility is to know yourself as sacred part of creation. There is no part of anything. The whole cosmos is one unit. You cannot divide it. Because we have not have the concept of God, and we have not decided to follow the path of God, to know the God. Therefore we like many writings like this. And God means the whole visible, invisible cosmos, undivided, one, eternal. When you will know it, that my aim is to know God, then we will have no any interest reading like this, that we are a part of sacred creation. This is one example. Next thing, what is love? To know love is to know peace. To know God is to know everything. And God means the whole cosmos, visible, invisible. God means all in all. God means eternal element. God means omniscient consciousness. God means omnipotent consciousness. For those who have decided to follow the path of self-realization and decided to get in this life, then we should not get distracted from this definition of God. Then we are going to practice oneness with God. It means we have to feel today or tomorrow that what is I am? I am trees, I am earth, I am sun, sky, I am bacteria, virus, I am animals, I am your form. Then what is you? You are the same. You are also all plants, all animals, all human beings, planet, solar system. This we have to feel. The moment we know the definition of God, this, then we will not be distracted in wasting the time in reading many books. We do not need to read, we need to work. Work means concentration on head to toes. Keep on feeling it, keep on accepting it. With this thought, its feeling will be ever new each moment. When I say, I am not able to feel today. Yesterday I was feeling, today I am feeling my body, I never felt before. It means we are not knowing reality. I also felt my existence before. I am feeling today, but each moment I will feel it as a new perception. No perception will be similar. This is called virginness. The moment we know it, we cannot compare today's perception with yesterday, or perception of this moment with the past. Therefore, any of us who have selected path of self-realization to get perfectly in this life, completely hold God, nothing else. And practicing presence of God means concentration on head to toes. With this concept, its presence is new each moment. But existence is the same. perception of head to toes will be new each moment, but existence means structural component of head to toes is the same, eternal. This we have to know. Next is the respect to honor all creation is to have respect. How to honor? What is the respect? Only thinking of God is a respect to all creation. Searching God is a respecting all creation. Practicing oneness with God is a respect all creation. How to respect? Said we pluck a flower and offer to mountain, I am having respect to mountain or ocean or lake, or oh, I have respect to this plant, then I am going to offer something, or I bow down. What does it mean? We do not know meaning of the love, respect, bravery. This is all the teaching given by those persons who have not reached to the realized stage. Therefore Jesus Christ has told only one thing. Just follow me, don't try to understand, and have cruise behind means learn how to die at will. As we sleep at will in the night, we are awake in the morning. In the same way, practice concentration on head to toes till you experience willing death, then willing arise. Means turn the switch off, all head to toes, then activate it. And this is explained in many ways. Therefore, this is very nice things. You know, you are all my teacher. When you give something, I get excited to tell you. You see, truth is known, all of these things. You speak the truth. How to speak the truth? You can feel the truth, you cannot speak. Okay, I am feeling truth, then how to speak it, how to write it? Buddha took the whole life, couldn't talk about truth, couldn't talk about God, only you can feel it. Food is very tasty, please write it. How you will write? Therefore all these things are wasting of time. Only one aim, God, 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 nothing else. How to find God? Kriya is God. What is Kriya? More and more. It is not what you are practicing today. More and more. What is more and more? Until you find singularity, that there exists only one consciousness, God, visible and invisible. The whole scripture is one paragraph, nothing else. Many, many thanks to Divine One who has given me this scripture today to interpret that this is bogus. Only touch the Jesus Christ, Krishna, Paramahansa Yogananda, Iktesagiri Ladhima said, don't read any book. Head to toes is your existence is book of eternity. Feel it with this concept, this moment, perception of this is unique as never before. If I feel, yes, I experienced this like yesterday, it means this is illusion. This is not correct.